Hi, I'm Donna Webb with Dunes Properties, here today to show you a beautiful new listing in Dunes West. Come along for the tour. Dunes West is a gated community in Mount Pleasant that has resort-style amenities that's perfect for a family or a retired couple, including a golf club, tennis, swim, and a fitness center. This home is situated on a beautiful lot, generous lot, that overlooks Wagner Creek. So you have a dock that has a private boat lift and a floating dock. The outdoor area is the perfect place to entertain friends, grill out, have parties. It's got an outdoor TV so that you can, watch games, and just a beautiful setting to entertain your friends and family. The 15-foot wall of doors is just the coolest part of the house. You push it back and it opens up the living room into the outdoor sitting area, which then connects with the outdoor dining area, and you have people can hang out, watch TV outside, jump in the hot tub, and just really enjoy true low country living. The fit and finishes of this home are just spectacular. When a builder builds a home for himself, it just has everything that you can imagine and more. For example, the kitchen island is 9 feet long and has a custom butcher block top that's made out of walnut. The casual dining area is just really unique as well. There's a wall of windows about 9 feet, and then another bar area that opens up completely, so you have this great massive indoor-outdoor living space that makes the perfect spot to relax with friends and family and entertain and enjoy the pool and the outdoor space here at this home. It's just really incredible. With over 3,800 square feet, the home has 4 bedrooms and 4 full baths, along with 2 half baths, and is the perfect layout with a lot of flexibility depending on your needs. If you're looking for a home in Charleston that offers the absolute best in terms of amenities and lot size and access to the salt marsh and all the wonderful things that we have to do here, this property can't be beat. It is an exceptional value and truly one of a kind, and I would say one of the most unique properties in Dunes West. You have to come check it out.